He spent 15 years breeding champion koi fish worth $90,000. The city bulldozed his pond while he was at work because he didn't have a wetland permit. All 200 fish died in minutes.
I've been breeding koi for 15 years. Some of those fish were worth $2,000 each. Champion bloodlines. They bulldozed my pond and buried everything. 200 fish died. I got a notice saying I needed a wetland permit. I called the city to ask about the process. They said they'd send information. A week later, bulldozers showed up while I was at work. My neighbor called me crying. By the time I got home, my pond was filled with dirt. The fish were buried alive. 15 years of work gone in an hour.
Mr. Nakamura's pond exceeded 500 square feet, which classifies it as a man-made wetland under city code. He never applied for the required permits despite multiple notices. We sent 3 notices over 2 months. He had time to comply. When he didn't, we exercised our authority to remediate unpermitted structures.
Ms. Henderson, you bulldozed a man's pond full of living creatures without giving him time to remove them? You killed 200 fish?
The notices instructed him to obtain permits or remove the structure, Your Honor.
The notices didn't say you were going to show up and bury living animals alive. He called asking for information and you sent bulldozers instead of permit applications.
You destroyed $90,000 worth of champion koi fish because of a permit dispute. That's not code enforcement. That's destruction of property and animal cruelty.
I'm awarding Mr. Nakamura $90,000 for the fish, plus $50,000 in punitive damages. The city will also pay for pond restoration. This was unconscionable and cruel.